Hey, Papyrus, I burnt the water.
Sans, how the f*** did you burn the water?
I don't know, bro. It just caught on fire.
Sans, oh my god! The house is on fire!
I'm sorry, I can't cook!
Doesn't respond
Okay,
to
so let's
me.
burn down his house.
No!
What if we steal his car and drive it into the lake?
No.
With him in it.
What? So I saw him talking to this other girl the other day. Put it down! It was his sister!
You're not coming today?
Nah, bro. I don't really feel like it. I'm staying home.
Damn, today wasn't the day?
Yup. I'll come tomorrow, but I'm not coming today.
Yeah, I feel you. But Maya came today. Where she at? Where you just came from? Don't worry about it. Where she at?
Come on, pick up. Hi, I love you so much. Can I have $2,500?
No? Why on earth do you need $2,500?
Oh, you know, for an escape room.
You're joking, right? What kind of escape room costs $2,500?
Prison.
I'll be there in 10, idiot.
Alright, bro, where the hell are you?
I really don't know. I really don't. Oh my god, what the hell?
Violence is never the answer. It's the solution.
Don't litter, Nick. It's Skittles, you stupid. Still, don't put it outside. What if a bird choked on it? He'll taste the rainbow while he goes out.
How to stop someone from choking. Stop. Stop.
Oh.
Yes!
No!
Why not? Why won't you sing?
Because singing killed my grandma, okay?
I ate my grandma! And it took a week because she was absolutely humongous.
I'm so lazy.
Don't you dare.
I can't do anything right.
Shut up!
I'm just not good enough.
I will punch you with friendship!
I think the elevator just stopped.
Is this really happening?
I told you your asses were too much weight.
Shut up, Courtney.
What do we do?
I don't know. Isn't there like a cord we can pull for the driver?
That's to stop a bus, you stupid bitch.
Oh yeah.
What about that big red button?
Why would we hit that?
For like emergencies.
Red means stop, Kim.
So?
If you hit that button, you're telling the emergency people to stop.
Why would they even have a button like that?
Because they're stupid.
We've got to put our heads together and think.
What?
Just lean forward. Come on, Courtney.
I'm not doing that.
Burn my house to the ground! My family's dead! What do I do?
Is a carrot.
Carrot? I think it's a carrot. I don't know about carrots. I don't know nothing about that.
If you dig a 6-foot hole, how deep is that hole?
It's about like 20 feet.
1 minus 1 equals?
Equals 35.
Okay. What is a BMW?
A BMW is a car.
Spell BMW.
BMW, D-A-Y.
I read today about a 10-year-old girl with Down syndrome who was taken from her mother and put in a cage. I read about did you say want?
So you're doing your oath? She's pretty. And you're ugly. Now let's get to work.
Buddy, you want this cheese fool? Oh my god! Hey! Cut it out! Cut it out! I just wanted to know if you wanted to cheese it.
What happened to you, Jack?
How many pickles can you shove up your ass?
Jack, how did...
No!
910
Does a kid yell like, gosh darn it, when he dies, and then the adult man is like, what the fuck?
Mom hits you with a Chromebook charger in the back of the head at full speed, max.
You try to straighten your motherfucking hair, bitch? It coils back like the Roblox coil sound, bitch.
What? What do you want? I'm drink. What? Drink. You're drunk? Hello? Are you okay? Can you pick me up? I'm crying. It's 3 in the morning. Get an Uber. Watch this. What? Are you driving? That tree was that tree. What? You hit a tree? What happened? I lied. I'm still in a Chuck E. Cheese. Chuck E. Cheese?
Where's Bubbles? She's probably upstairs combing her hair so she can be the prettiest girl at the party. I'm gonna be the prettiest girl at the party.
Fun fact of the day. Did you know that penguins can actually fly if they're thrown hard enough? Just like children.
What the fuck?
I'm mad at you. Let's fight.
God! Put that away, you psycho! Oh my god! Jesus!
Help me hide a body.
Huh?
Come on, we can't delay.
What did you do?
No one can see him on the floor. Get him out the door before he can decay.
Why would you call me? Why would you call me of all people? Now I'm gonna go to jail. Oh my god! I'm driving. Shotgun!
Oh, but you had it on the way here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. No, I found a shotgun. And I want the front seat.
I'm an eagle. You're not eagle. You're an adult man. I'm an eagle.
Oh, this is supposed to be chocolate.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that.
No matter what I do, no one at school wants to be friends with me.
Yeah, I literally can't relate to that problem at all, but you know who no one likes? Hey, Mama!
First of all, how dare you?
Told me to just be myself and people would like me.
Don't you think any of this was a good idea?
Probably because I'm a dangerous sociopath with a long history of violence.
Oh.
I don't understand how you keep forgetting that.
I am not.
I woke up in a new
Well.
You have exactly 3 seconds to explain why you just woke me up. Because it's morning and you should be awake. Oh, interesting. I didn't know you wanted to die today. Francis, you can't kill me. It's too late. I've already decided how.
Oh, that's where you were. We thought you went crazy.
Yep, guess time.
Here, a stocking for you. It's a D for depression.
Here, a stocking for you. It's a D for dumb.
I have two sides.
Yo, what happened? Are you okay? No, man. I took my hamster out for a walk. I wanted to be different. And then it fell in the sewer drain. I couldn't grab it in time. I missed it. It went falling down the river. The Duke, it went in the river, bro.
Fuck you!
Hey, check the rooms. I'm going down. Check the rooms.
Alright, go down.
I can't run! I gotta stop it! Clear. Alright, hold on. There's something in here. He's behind the door. Hold on. He's in this room behind the door. I seen his legs.
Maybe
Walk
it's not
past
even
him
a...
really quick.
You walk past him, bitch! Go.
I'm not going down there first.
Go, bitch!
I fucking hate you. Move. They love to play music at the worst times, bro.
Oh, fuck! Shut the fuck up, pussy! Let's go! You a bitch in a hole!
Stop.
I ain't even see it! Go, go, go! I can't run! I can't run! No stamina! Fuck, bitch! Fuck you, pussy! Bro!
I do a wish in a well. Don't ask me, I'll never tell. I looked at you as it fell, and now you're in my way. I trade my soul for a wish, pennies and die for a kiss. I wasn't looking for this, but now you're in my way. Your stand was holding, ripped jeans, skin was showing. Hot night, we was going. Where you think you're going, baby? Hey,
¡Llamen a la policía! ¡Me están matando!
When life gives you lemons, you say, I don't want your damn lemons! I'm gonna burn your house down with combustible lemons!
I just wanted to say, I just got you a boyfriend.
I don't want a boyfriend. I'm not gay!
Yes, you are, and I
don't want a
totally...
boyfriend!
You like it?
Why does it look he smell like a hospital?
It's Japanese time!
Guys, I heard something in my basement and I'm really scared. If you came here to kill me, clap your hands.
Fuck this shit, I'm out. You can travel the world, having nothing come close to the golden coast. Why won't you party with us? We'll be falling in love. California girls were unforgettable.
Girls, I know how to kill you, make it look like an accident, cry at your funeral, have people feel bad for me, and then get away with it.
Now, what do you tell yourself when you're having impulses to throw yourself off a bridge? Yeet. No.
Did somebody say waffles?
No.
I have brain damage.
Your sixth photo is who you were stuck in an elevator with.
Pizza? Never underestimate pizza.
What just happened?
What do you mean?
I was just about to win, and it completely disappeared.
Yep, just like your dad.
Just like that hairline. Just like those lips. Just like those teeth. Just like that nose. Just like your man if you had one.
My patience is waning. Is this entertaining?
Your patience is waning. Is this entertaining?
I got this feeling that you know where I'm losing all control. Cause there's magic in my bones.
Shut up! I'm going to kill the next person I fucking see, I swear to God.
Hello, hi, I'm so happy to see you.
Hey, oh my God. Oh my God, what's going on?
Wow, I'm
Hey,
so
bud.
happy to see you.
It's gonna get a little weird, gonna get a little wild. I ain't from around here, I'm from another dimension. Gonna get a little weird, gonna have a good time. I ain't from around here, I'm from another.
Your 8th photo is what your parents getting you for your next birthday.
Give it to me,
Unicorns, what's your favorite food?
Children.
Oh.
The person on your lock screen will kidnap you.
Joey, are you possessed? Oh my
Berber. No. Talk to the nice Mexican man.
Hamburger. No, disculpa, no hablo inglés, no English. Hamburger! Cheese or no cheese?
I'm gonna freak out, Josh.
¡Berber! ¿Por qué siempre te pones a llorar? Tienes nada más que comprar las hamburguesas, güey, y te pones a llorar como un pinche güey. Oh, speak Taco Bell, pal! Well, guess what? I don't speak hamburger, mother.
Get in here! We're going to Lululand!
Lululand?
Lululand! Lululand!
Shut the fuck up!
There's a spider on my ceiling and I'm naming him Dave. Spider Dave, you better behave.
Ho ho ho. No.
There's one thing in this house I know how to do, it's how to cook, alright? What are you making, fire over there?
And I can carefully drop in the poor little gummy bear.
Yeah! Fuck you! Fuck both of you! Shut the fuck up! Why are you guys yelling at each other right now? We're trying to fix your goddamn eye! I just want to go back home and get myself a fucking McWhopper from Burger King, even though I don't fucking like Burger King, and Burger King is shit!
Okay, listen. Assuming somebody is gay because of their appearance is stereotyping and harmful. But fucking look at him!
Playground phone. I don't know who you are, but I will find you and I will kill you.
What?
こんな大きなダイヤモンド見たことないでしょ。あげるね。くるくるん、くるくるん、くるくるん、くるくるん。
Silicone parts are made for toys. I want them real fucking juicy. So find that juicy double. Before I take trouble, maybe walk into that.
You ready?
Yeah.
Try and make me laugh.
It's not gonna happen. I am impossible to make laugh. Hang on.
Let me get my serious face. Okay, there. Go.
What was that?
Hey, backtracking is just no, please don't.
Oh, you've got to put some swaz on it, Gromit. Topping!
I know over 200 ways to kill a man.
You could glue an open jar of rats to his face, then blowtorch the other side of the jar, so the rats have to eat their way out through his face.
201.
Pull the lever, only one person will die. Which option do you choose? That's not an option.
The secret? I dip my Oreos in water.
Because her dad never came back with the milk.
Emotional damage!
I'm gonna show you how to put this meatloaf in the oven and in just 30 short minutes. I burnt my entire house to the ground.
Go. Do a crime.
You've been very drunk for the last hour.
Me or you?
You.
Hey boogie oogie bam bam, let's go body body boom boom. Hey boogie oogie bam bam, let's go body body boom boom.
You like that? Huh? You like that?
Did somebody say waffles?
No.
I have brain damage.
So 3, 2, 1, and scammer gets scammed, buddy. That's what you get. You're not getting our guns back. No.
Things that can kill you, part 2. Being tall actually makes you more likely to die faster.
What? What is this? What is this?
Something your father clearly never gave you. A hug.
thought this was the clown motel, but a couple of clowns just walked through my door.
What the f you call me, dog? I'm going full Mexican on your bitch ass. Más te vale que nos des un pinche cuarto, si no ahorita te tumbo los pinches ojos, güey.
Someone tell me what he's saying. What the f is he saying, dude? I don't speak Taco Bell.
Mira, güey, te voy a contar hasta 3. Si a las 3 no nos das un pinche cuarto limpio, güey.
What is this f***ing guy saying?
Wait, no.
Can I get someone who speaks some f***ing English? This is English land. We speak English.
Ven aquí y enséñanos nuestros cuartos, güey.
All right, that's it. That's it, you son of a bitch. Come on, you're coming with me, pal. Come on.
Oh, vamos a bailar.
We're walking here.
Vamos.
We're walking here, kid. Hurry it up.
Pura
Blah,
pinche
blah,
cumbia.
blah. Taco. Come on. Clowns Hotel, man. What bunch of clowns?
Now I know what's real and what is
I eat little babies' ice cream.
Hey, just double checking. You cleared your calendar for dinner tomorrow night, right? I'm dying to go to that new place. Like, I can't. Oh, sorry. Dinner tomorrow? Me. Yeah!
It's a piece of cake, it's like a pretty cake. If the way is hazy, you gotta do the cooking by the book. You know you can't be lazy. Never use a messy recipe. The cake will end up crazy. If you do the cooking by the book, then you'll have
Break it down, bitch. Let me see you back it up. Drop that ass down, load it, pick that motherfucker up. Break it down, bitch. Let me see you back it up. Drop that ass down, load it, pick that motherfucker up.
My God, you're so tall. You look like a giraffe.
That's why you dead built like a baked bean.
A baked bean. House, my rules. My knife, your life. Oh.
It's not easy being the disappointment of the family, but here the fuck I am. Gang, bitch.
I hate all serial killers. But when he stabs me...
Why is dark spelled with a K and not a C? Because you can't see in the dark.
If I lose this, you know what I'm gonna do?
What?
I'm going to go to Walmart. I'm going to pour water on the floor. And I'm gonna say there's no wet floor sign. I'm then gonna run across the water as fast as I can and trip over it and get hurt. I'm gonna scream the loudest scream I've ever screamed. And then I'm going to sue the heck out of them. And when I'm done, I'm gonna own Walmart. So I'll be the true master then.
Wow, the cat is very cute. I like the cat. Do you like the cat? Did it kill it? Why do you do this? I'm very angry. You are a crazy person. Because it will kill us. He doesn't seem like a bad guy. Coochie.
Some people just get on my nerves. I can put my Gucci on. I can wear my Louis Vuitton, even with nothing on. How did you look? Yeah, you are my
Mickey on a railway picking up stones. Down came an engine and broke Mickey's bones. I said, Mickey, that's not fair. Oh, said the engine driver, I don't care.
Deck the halls with gasoline, fa la 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 la. Light a match and watch it gleam, fa la 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 la. Now the school is burned to ashes, fa la 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 la. Aren't you glad you played with matches, fa la 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 la.
Hold on, just a second. I'm sorry. My cats are...
Stop! Get off the couch!
You guys heard that one song that goes like, country road, take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home, country road.
For the very last time.
You ready?
Yeah.
Red light, green light, 1, 2, 3. You're fast, okay. Red light, green light, 1, 2, 3. Ah! Red light.
Going to kill your family, and I don't so believe you when you say it was me. Think the predator, I know where you are. You can run, but you won't get far.
He died of natural causes.
You pushed him off the roof.
Yeah, gravity. It's natural.
Baby, come and spend the night, baby.
Get away. Back! Back! Disease! Get back. Stay away.
Anybody's heart. They only have one. Break their bones. They have 206. Or their organs if you want to get interesting. Count your days. Your hand in my hand.
I could never choose to love another. Brother.